Hi, my name's Scott. Today when I came out to my garage, I found that my code no longer worked. Perhaps I forgot my code? I don't know. Perhaps it was time to change it anyway. Perhaps it had expired. Perhaps the Genie wireless keypad access remote Intellicode device had failed. I'll never know. Regardless, I need to recode the keypad so that I may enter my garage without effort. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to start off by showing you how to erase the keypad's memory completely and set it or reset it back to factory defaults. So carefully approach your keypad and then take note of the buttons. There's a program button. There's some keypad buttons with numbers on them. And there's also an up-down arrow key. This is for raising and lowering the garage door after you've entered the proper keypad entry. To reset, you must press the buttons and hold them in this order. 3, 6, and then up and down, and then let go. Now the keypad remote is reset to factory defaults, which means that when I type in 3, 5, 7, and then hit program, and then I enter in the code that I want, and then I hit the program again, it'll blink a couple times, and then it'll stop. Now I need to approach the actual opener itself using a ladder. Now, one thing that's important to note about ladders is that you should never use this as a step. That wouldn't be safe. Now, as you can see, we've got a little bit too much light up here. There we go. That takes care of that. Now, as you can see here, there's a little... Ooh, almost lost that. Whoa! Oh, goodness. All right. That was exciting. All right. So, there's a button right here, and you must press that button, and the red light begins to blink. Now we need to return to the keypad. And enter in our number again. And press this. Now we come over here and we examine the garage door opener again. And we see that the light is a solid red. Now we need to come back over here to our keypad and press the up-down button again. And we observe now that the little red light has in fact extinguished. Our code should be good. Let's go ahead and check this out, because as we know, when we've entered code, we must test our code. Not testing code is bad. Don't do that. Always test your code. Once again. And there we have it. As you can see, the garage door is now lowering.